Just a short amount of time and with minimal labor, your grass, artificial surface, or ice can be transformed into a durable and protective floor, turning your athletic facility into a multi-purpose activity center. At the same time, your expensive sports surfaces are being protected from damage by Portaflor's patented designs that keep your grass healthy and green and your synthetic surfaces unblemished.
Entertaining, so we have to protect obviously some of the areas around campus when we do these things outdoors, and this is the flooring system we chose for that.
Has a unique moisture canopy that protects and maintains healthy grass surfaces beneath the floor for up to 10 days.
And being good enough to come here and demonstrate how to set it up.
Unlike conventional flooring, installation and disassembly are amazingly fast and simple. Less time means less costs. Portaflor's unique rollout design makes it easy and quick to cover large surfaces with minimal labor.
You can lay down a stadium-sized quantity of Portaflor in about 8 hours with 10 to 12 people.
Featuring a patented interlocking modular design, it's ultra strong and lightweight. This modular design makes Portaflor extremely versatile. Simply snap out the sections to conform to columns and supports and other obstacles. Snap together as it is stable, supporting an amazing 6,000 pounds per square foot. Yet its seamless, non-slip surface can also be walked across even in high heels. And because of the smooth, flat surface, wheelchair access is easier than ever. Maintenance is minimal. Simply hose it off with a garden hose, pressure washer, or this easy-to-use rotary pressure washer attachment. Disassembly? That's fast. Low maintenance. Good looks. Fast and easy to assemble. And a quick payback.